Reolink Duo 3 PoE review. Can one camera replace two? Tired of blind spots that make your security feel incomplete? You invest in cameras, yet gaps remain, leaving you uneasy. Frustration builds when tools meant to protect end up creating more doubt. Ever felt like your setup is working against you instead of securing peace of mind? Drop a thought below if this hits a little too close to home. The stress grows when motion alerts flood your phone, only to reveal swaying branches or a passing cat. Real risks get buried under false alarms, and the fatigue is real. Imagine if there was a way to cut the noise, sharpen the focus, and take control without adding a maze of wires, mounts, or extra complexity. The Reolink Duo 3 PoE was designed to flip that frustration into confidence, merging two 4K sensors into a seamless 16-megapixel panoramic view that captures everything in one sweep. Instead of juggling multiple cameras, you cover driveways, yards, or storefronts with a single unit. No awkward gaps, no fisheye distortion. Its f1.6 aperture and 6 infrared LEDs reveal rich, color night vision up to 100 feet, making shadows and dark corners vivid instead of vague. AI detection separates people, vehicles, and animals, slashing false alerts while ensuring the right ones reach you instantly. Add motion track, and you don't just see movement. You follow the full path across the scene in one picture. A homeowner described it as seeing my whole yard at once, day and night, without guesswork. PoE keeps the setup clean with one cable for power and data, while IP67 durability braves the weather. Here's one way it saved a small business owner, replacing 3 older cameras with one Duo 3 cut clutter, costs, and blind spots. Keep reading for a clever tip to make alerts even smarter. What sets the Duo 3 PoE apart isn't just specs. It's the way it blends simplicity with intelligence. Experts hail it as a game-changer for wide-area surveillance, praising the seamless 180 degrees view and 16-megapixel clarity that makes zooming into details surprisingly effective. Influencers rave about setup ease. One cable, stunning coverage, no headaches. Analysts frame it as a smart evolution, trimming camera counts and installation costs while enhancing reliability. Everyday users echo the buzz. One homeowner replaced 2 front cameras and now sees from driveway to porch in one shot, while a business owner said, "It covered my entire lot and cut my equipment needs in half." Color night vision draws special praise, with one reviewer noting, "I don't need to turn on outdoor lights anymore." Sure, continuous UHD recording demands storage, but that's a small trade-off for around-the-clock clarity. The two-way audio, a lifesaver for deliveries and an instant deterrent when needed. See why thousands can't stop talking about this camera? Which feature would change your game? AI alerts, panoramic view, or crystal clear night vision? Comment below and tell us, because your peace of mind should feel this effortless. Stock is moving quickly. Homeowners, businesses, and DIY installers are already upgrading to the Reolink Duo 3 PoE. Don't wait. Lock in wide 180 degrees coverage, intelligent AI alerts, and stunning 16-megapixel detail with just one camera. Click today and unlock a pro tip on tuning detection zones for maximum accuracy. This isn't just about recording, it's about reclaiming control. Don't just watch. Jump in, secure your space, and feel the difference starting tonight.